Hey there, so I just wanted to take a second to show off this beautiful fairycore butterfly chain belt that I'm working on next. Um, so I've got three beaded little dangly bead things in between these like silver little metal butterfly dangly things. And also on the little butterfly dangly things, I've also got these little dangly, cute little beads that are super cute. And also on these beaded dangly things, I've got these I got amethyst and rose quartz. And I've got one little one in the center that's just got a pink one and a rose quartz and a couple little beads. The butterfly beads, I believe, are plastic, and it's on this silver chain. I'm still currently working on it. I've got these other little ones here that I've already made, and the little dangly parts, those are made with this like rose gold thin little wire, and I just make individual dangly pieces that I clip right onto the chain belt. So yep, it is super cute and pretty, and it is gonna look so great when it's finished. And once I have that finished, I will probably be selling that on my shop. So, yep.